In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset DJI wireless microphone. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So as you can see on my hand, I have DJI wireless microphone. So on receiver, you need to swipe down from the top just like that, and here is mono, just swipe left, and here is settings, tap on, and again swipe left, and here is factory reset, and tap on factory reset and tap again to confirm to factory reset, and again confirm. As you can see, it's resetted. Then you need to select language. I'm selecting English, then tap on English, then set date and time like that, then time, then it's resetted. So that way you can reset DJI wireless microphone. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.